Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will discuss the topic the invention of Vita Wong. This story is quite similar to Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Imaginary one. So let's get started with the question answers. The first question. According to Charlie, what lives the longest? We all have read in our science. The tree is the living thing which lives the longest. So over here, even according to Charlie, a tree lives the longest. Bristol cone pine trees live the longest. Whom did Mr. Wonka ask Charlie to confirm his fact? Dendrochronologists are the ones who read the age of the tree. So Mr. Wonka asked Charlie to confirm his fact. Which fact? About the age of the tree. With anyone who studies about the age of the tree. And they are called as dendrochronologists. What was unique about the Great Glass Elevator? We usually travel by car, by planes. But Mr. Wonka was in the habit to travel across the world in the Great Glass Elevator. He was a scientist. So he had obviously some unusual experiences. Some unusual habits he had. Let's see the fourth question. Whose knuckle bones were collected by Willy Wonka? Now first of all, what is knuckle bone? These are called knuckle bones. So whose knuckle bones were collected by Willy Wonka? Mr. Willy Wonka collected the knuckle bones of 700 years old Grimalkin that lived in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. So what is Grimalkin? It's a cat. Again, this is an imaginary character, because no cat can live for 700 years. So again, it's an imaginary character. Where did the old flea collected by Mr. Wonka live? What do you mean by flea? Flea means an insect which doesn't have wings. So the old flea used to live on Crumpets, that was 36-year-old cat. Buffaloes, cows or dogs we have heard, and might be you have experienced, you have seen that on their body some insects do live, they do eat, they do feed. The same thing is here. The old flea used to live on Crumpets, that was 36 years old cat. If I talk about the sixth question, so this is what was so special about the Arabian horse? The Arabian horse lived for 50 years, which is quite unusual. The age of horses usually are 20 to 30 years, but Arabian horse lived for 50 years. And Mr. Willy Wonka collected the things from the things which were quite very old. All right. Seventh question. Mr. Wonka collected whose toenail? Toenail, you understand? Toe. The finger of our foot. That is called toe. So Mr. Wonka collected whose toenail? He collected the toenail clipping. Clipping means a very small part of 168-year-old Russian farmer. Again, an imaginary character. 168-year-old Russian farmer called, what was the name? An imaginary name. Petrovich Grigorovich. Petrovich Grigorovich. The last question of today's assignment, how did Mr. Wonka collect all those ancient items, the old items, antique items? As we have discussed this question earlier also, Mr. Wonka went all across the world in his great glass elevator to collect all these ancient, antique, old things. Thank you so much. Have a great day.